Welcome back to another video. Today we have a clearance item I found. This is a killer deal. Found this for $149 at the Lowe's. So if you guys did see my videos, you guys don't miss any of these deals by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. So you guys, Eagle Power Mower, 21-inch cordless mower, 7.5 amp hour battery, runs up to 60 minutes. You have LM2102SP. That is the item number for this mower. Thing I saw out of the box is the battery. This is BA4200T, 7.5 amp hour battery. This is a massive beast. There is a button there. Obviously we need some charge. To show you guys, we got Eagle Power, 7.5 amp hour battery. Next thing we have is the charger. You got two indentations there, so you guys could hang this. CH5500. Pretty much just a regular standard fast charger. The only thing I see a difference on these is that it does have the green on the sides. Next thing we have is this. This is for the bag. Alright, so this looks like a side discharge. Alright, we got the bag. So let's throw this in here and show you guys how this works. You do it under the carriage or under the tabs, the metal, and then you got to do the sides. The easiest way, just get the tab and put it in there and just follow all the side. Follow all the side, including the bottom one as well. Alright, so once you got everything perfect in there, this is what it looks like. This is the bag. I do have to say Eagle has one of the biggest bags out there. Alright, that's the way the mower looks. Alright, the easiest way, obviously, is to tilt the box on the side. Alright, so this is the blade. Very sharp. It's all plastic on the carriage. Alright, so that is a self-propelled mechanism. That looks like the motor compartment is on that side. And then you got some bearings here, bearings there. Overall, pretty nice. It does have the bigger wheels on the back. And it looks like it does have a plug already in there, 56 volt. We do have the cover here, and with the green clear lid, this is where you put the battery and where you push the button to release. Alright, here you got the lever. This is to adjust the height. And then you got this lever here to release the handles. Does have self-propelled in there. It does have some headlights. It does have a grab handle there. Another grab handle here at the front. Alright, so we got the handle right here. The self-propelled speed here. Here is the speed control. Here is the to start it. And here is the lever and emergency shut off. And there's the self-propelled mode on. You remove both tabs. You pull this back. Bagging compartment. It does have a plug on the back. This is a mulch plug. It does have a handle, and then you guys are able to put your side discharge. It does have a tab there at the bottom, a tab there at the bottom as well. And you put that in there, and you got your side discharge. Not really a fan of this, but it is here. A light on, light off. You do have a battery status indicator, LED. Let's go ahead and do some cuts outside. I already know how this thing's gonna cut. I know this thing's gonna be perfect. The self-propelled mode, I still have to try it because I never had one before. So, and I do have to say there's hardly any resistance with this self-propelled mode. Let's see how well it picks up this piece here on the front a little more. Really nice clippings. Some trash. Really fine clippings. I really like this. All the leaves are picked up. I'll say about 80% of the leaves are in here. Trash, everything. So it is worth it. I know Eagle is one of the best out there. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.